Let's learn how to activate our plugin on Shopify themes with v2 version. First, go to Shopify's left menu bar and click on Sales Channels. Then click on Online Store in the search bar. Now click on the Customize button. Once inside your Themes panel, change to Cart Page. Now it's time to choose where we want to place the widget. Let's say we want to place it just above subtotal price. Well, v2 Shopify themes lets you add objects as blocks, and that's precisely what we are going to do. To add a block, on the left menu, click on Add Block Link. From App Blocks category, click on Story Dots. This will add it at the bottom of the list. If you hover our widget, a 6 dots icon shows on the right. This allows you to drag it up or down. Drag it just above the subtotal. That's it. Now the widget displays right where we wanted. Now let's suppose we want to show the widget in the products page too. Let's learn how to do it. First, change to the products page. Repeat the procedure we did before. On the left menu, click on Add Block Link. From App Blocks category, click on Story Dots. It adds it on the bottom of the list. Hover our widget, click and hold the 6 dots button. Drag the widget up to the place you want. That's it. Don't forget to save changes. Keep tuned for more tutorials.